At Cambridge, we bring brighter thinking into the classroom to promote better learning. To do this, we talk to teachers and educational thinkers around the world to understand what's needed in classrooms today. These conversations have formed the basis of our Cambridge International AS and A-Level Commerce collection. Featuring business, economics and accounting, each subject has a coursebook, workbook and teacher's resource with digital access. We ensure our resources support the needs of students and teachers with specialist features. Inside our coursebooks, our How to Use This Book section makes learning easier by showing all of these features in action. Students can see how their learning relates to the real world with our in-context features. And our range of diverse case studies help engage learners from a variety of backgrounds. In business and economics, our Getting Started With chapters make the transition between Cambridge IGCSE and A-Level simpler than ever before. And in accounting, we've integrated support throughout. A new Preparing for Assessment unit also helps learners feel ready for examination and provides practical advice. Our collection of workbooks are the perfect accompaniment to our coursebooks, helping learners put their knowledge into practice. Worked examples provide step-by-step guidance and are ideal for revision. Key terms are also available, giving extra support for English as a second language learners, and our Improve This Answer feature helps students build on their essay writing skills and prepare for assessment. Last but not least, our teachers' resources on Cambridge Go complete the set. Inside, there's guidance on how to use all of the features so teachers can feel confident in their approach. Learning objectives and success criteria ensure lessons are focused, and a variety of activities and downloadable worksheets save valuable lesson planning time and bring fresh ideas into the classroom. Differentiation support and assessment suggestions are also included throughout to ensure every learner feels suitably challenged and supported. It's time to build a brighter future together with Cambridge. To learn more about our new Business, Economics and Accounting series, view samples, and find your local Cambridge consultant, visit cambridge.org/education/commerce.